everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel today. What I'm going to be reviewing today is the Quip toothbrush. It is one of the newest toothbrushes in the last few years. The design is very simple. I've had a few patients tell me that they use it, and I wanted to give you an honest review of what I think of it when I brush with it, and also tell you what I've seen when my patients use it. So let's go ahead and unbox it right now, and I'll show you everything it comes with. Alright guys, so this is the box that it comes in. Very sleek, and I got the copper color. So on the box it just says timed sonic vibrating brush and multi-use. Back it has a little list and it says sensitive sonic vibrations, guiding pulses is what they call it. Basically it lets you know when to switch to the other side, like most electric toothbrushes do. It has soft nylon bristles and they're small and flexible. The brush head is pretty flexible. I heard this toothbrush is really good for travel, so let's see. So I finally got it open. This is the way they present it. This is what came in my package. Mind you, I did do the dental professional package so I could try out the toothbrush for $10, which is really cool. So I think this is what they give everyone though. When you first order your toothbrush, you do get the same package, but I'm not getting paid to do this or anything. I just have a discount since I'm a hygienist. They gave me basically a discount for my license number so I can try out the toothbrush myself just for a smaller fee. The actual amount of the toothbrush be $55, so they give you the same exact thing that they gave me, except yours will come with, if you order one, it'll come with a floss and a little toothpaste. A floss and a toothpaste is what you'll get. I didn't get the floss, so it's fine. I'll probably try out their floss another time, but at least they did give me the toothbrush and a travel size toothpaste. That's really nice. And they gave a regular size toothpaste. And they claim that their toothpaste basically doesn't have all the extra abrasives that some toothpaste have for whitening. It's just kind of a simple toothpaste with sodium fluoride, which is great. I think it's wonderful how they put fluoride in their toothpaste, because a lot of companies are going the more natural route and they don't have the fluoride, which I do not recommend. Alright, so I'm going to open up this brush. Really cute case there. So this is the travel case. You just use this and take it with you when you travel. This is one you mount on the wall so that you just hang it on the wall. So this is the toothbrush. I'm gonna go ahead and feel it. So, okay. Has on the outside little rubber parts, and these help stimulate the gum tissue, so you'll see that on some toothbrushes. That's what the point of that is, just to be stimulating the gums. And the brush heads, to me, they don't feel as soft. They feel like a medium kind of. So I always recommend soft toothbrush. They claim it's soft, so maybe it is. I just prefer like soft or extra soft, and I think that's better on the gums, but we'll see how it feels. So, oh nice, there's a tongue scraper on the back. Really cool. So you just replace these brush heads every 3 months when they send it to you. I was reading reviews about this toothbrush, and some people were complaining that inside here can get dirty and you have to clean inside of it, so I would just keep that in mind when you use it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try it out. Let's see how it is. Alright, so I am going to use their toothpaste in the process. Alright, so I'm going to start brushing. I'll let you guys know how it is afterwards. As you guys know from my other videos, Oral-B is my favorite, but I've recently been using Burst for a week now, and I really love that one as well. This one, I'm just not feeling it, you guys. I don't feel the same way about this toothbrush that I do the other ones, and part of the reason is I don't feel like it's cleaning as well. It just kind of vibrates. It's like what I call a pulsating toothbrush. And I do have patients that use pulsating toothbrushes, and although studies have not been done, this is just my opinion, telling you from my point of view what I've seen with patients. With pulsating toothbrushes, it just doesn't remove as much plaque. As I told you, electric toothbrushes remove so much more plaque than a manual. This is basically a manual with like a little bit of vibration, and just keep that in mind if you're looking for something to really remove a lot of plaque. If you feel like you have staining, this might not cut it for you. But if you want to use something for travel purposes, I would say this is good. If you're a person that really just doesn't develop a lot of staining or plaque or buildup, then I would, you know, say that this is okay for you. You can use this one. However, really, I think it's the concept behind this toothbrush that is what makes it so big and why people like it. And I get that. So it's not always about, you know, people aren't always thinking or may not be aware that this might not be the best toothbrush for them. But for some people, it's acceptable and it's okay. You know, the Bristles and the other toothbrushes that I use are, I'll show you real quick, they're not like that. For example, this is the burst. I don't know if you can see, but the bristles are kind of pointed out, and there's some smaller ones and longer ones. And even with this one, it's just flat. And I just don't know if that's gonna get all the areas that tend to develop plaque. So it's a no for me, guys. I'll definitely put my link down below if you would like to try it out. I mean, it's pretty cheap. It's not like it's an expensive toothbrush, but and I would say if you're the person who likes to travel a lot, or you're just really minimalistic, you want something to not really have to worry about charging every day and just replace the battery, then this is maybe for you. But otherwise, I would recommend the other toothbrushes in my other videos. If you can check them out, you'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. I've been wanting to try this for a long time. If you want to try this toothbrush, I'll leave a little promo code at the bottom. And again, I'm not saying that it's all the way, you know, no go for everyone. It's just my personal opinion. I'm so happy that I got to try it out. Thank you so much for letting me try it out and giving this option to dental professionals, Quip. But I really just don't know if I'll be referring that many people to this toothbrush. But thank you guys for watching, and tune into my next video.